iPad for the win?
You can't see a fucking thing, dude. It's horrible.
Yeah. It's supposed to be buildings.
Are you fucking serious?
Dude, it's too stagnant air. I can't do it. I'd rather get a little dusty than fucking sit in a humid ass bus.
Thanks, you just turned my teeth into 30 grit. It's nice.
It's like I just got home from the dentist. It's tasty. It's good shit.
Went out to smoke a cigarette last night. I was like, oh, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna inhale all this shit.
I told you, man,
like a fucking sandbox in my mouth.
I'm chilling in there, like I'm laying down. It's like 4. I'm like, alright, I'm going to bed. And then all I hear is like, boom! Like the fucking tarp just starts smacking me on. I was like, God damn it. Now I gotta get my ass up and go fix that shit.
This fucking weather blows dick, man.
Never coming back to this place. Yeah. 8 months, I'll be back.
You barely even see the fucking flag. It's some bullshit.
God, I love this country.
It's a shithole.